Hello there, my name is June and I'm starting a new playlist on how to program in Python. And in the playlist, I will be following this book, Python Crash Course by Eric Mathis. And this is my first video, and in this one, I will show you my setup first of all, and then we will create a simple Hello World program. So let's begin. So this is the book we are following, as I said, and this is my setup. So on the left, I have the notes I have written, so I have a clear structure on what to do. On the right, I have my IDE opened. I use PyCharm, one of my favorite editors. And I have also opened OneNote for as a whiteboard. So if I need to share some, if I need to draw something, I can also draw it as well here. So so that's all for the setup. Now let's begin. And as you can see, I am starting from chapter 2 because chapter 1 was all about setup, installing Python, installing all the necessary tools. I'm not going to do that because I have already I have already installed them and I don't want to remove them for the sake of videos. That's why I'm beginning from chapter 2. So let's read it out. Chapter 2, variables and simple data types. So we are going to talk, as the chapter suggests, we are going to talk about variables and simple data types. What are they? Well, we will learn what they are. The first topic is Hello World. So in order to create the Hello World is a very basic kind of program. That's the first thing a student writes whenever they are learning a new language. And we are going to do the exact same thing. In order to write your code, first we create a file. So we create new file. We call it hello underscore world. We don't add spaces into our file names. Hello underscore world.py, that's the file. And in order to create hello world, we use print. Now let me zoom it in for you. The spelling has to match and the casing has to match as well, so they are all lowercase. Print a set of parentheses. Inside the parentheses we also need quotes. Hello Python world. So the book is saying hello Python world, just to be a little different, and there is also an exclamation mark. So this is it. This is the first thing every student writes whenever they are learning a new language. Let's look at what it looks like. First of all, we have print and then a set of parentheses, and inside, okay, I messed it up. Inside parentheses, we have quotes. Now in programming, in any programming language, whenever we are writing a piece of text, in this case hello Python world, we enclose it in quotes. In Python, you could either use single quotes or double quotes. They have no difference. So they have to match. First of all, they have to match. So I can either use single quote or double quotes. They have no difference whatsoever. So let's just use double quote for now. You see how there's a red squiggly line? That is saying I messed up because the quotes are not matching up. I said they have to match. So either both double quotes or single quotes, and we can put any kind of text we want. And when I run it, I will see in the terminal hello Python world. Now in order to run your code, we type Python and then the name of our file. The name of our file is hello underscore world dot py. We hit enter and we will see hello Python world. So the purpose of print, although in normal life printing means to print out a piece of paper from a printer, but in programming, printing means to just display some text onto your console. It has different words. Some people call it terminal, some people call it shell, some people call it console. So whatever you put inside print it will be displayed. You can add as many lines as you want. Hello, I am June. For example, I love to play piano. Now let's run it again. Python hello world.py. Enter. Hello, Python world. Hello, I'm June. I love to play piano. One thing, although it's very intuitive, but it is that Python reads code from top to bottom. It will read the first line, then second, then third. Similar to how we read any book, we read the first line and then second and the third. So you can see the order match up. First it check, first it displayed this line, then this one, and the last one, and so on. And just one last thing before we wrap up this Hello World lesson is that you can have any number of line breaks, any number of empty lines as you want. Python doesn't care between your code like this. You can have any number of them because Python doesn't care. Although you won't see people doing this because now you see how ugly it looks. But sometimes it's better to keep our code organized, and separating it with line breaks helps us. So it's good to know that you can have as many spaces in the line as possible, as many as you want, as long as it doesn't make the code messy. And let's run it. We see the exact same thing. So whenever a line is empty, Python will ignore it. So let me make it just like how it used to be. And this is it for the Hello World, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.